It's very real. Our physical brains follow the mental manifestations of our own thoughts. Whatever you decide with your thoughts will physically rewire your own brain. Hey, it's Steve. Hit the subscribe button down below so I can continue helping you find your new life after multiple sclerosis. There is a simple fact. The act of eating food causes inflammation. You probably know that. But because of our MS genes, we need to counteract that. Fasting, in the form of eating just one meal a day, gives the body time to clear out the inflammation, to prevent seepage into our own brains. But hearing that, you might be under the misconception when I use the word fasting. Now, I don't mean calorie restriction, like you're on a diet to lose weight or something. Those diets focus on what you eat. But OMAD fasting is all about when you eat. With OMAD fasting, you only eat during a specific time. I've worked my way down to just one big meal a day. I'm not making it up either. When fasting for a set time each day, there is scientific evidence that points to turning off the immune system, which we need. I've read that Johns Hopkins neuroscientist Mark Mattson has studied fasting for 25 years. And he says that our bodies have evolved to be able to go without food for several days and even longer, which makes sense when you think about it. In prehistoric times, before humans started to learn from, there were hunters and gatherers who evolved to survive and thrive for long periods without eating. And back then, fasting was a necessity. It took a lot of time to hunt and game and gather nuts and berries. I believe this is what sowed the genetic underpinnings to multiple sclerosis. I think once we outpace ourselves and our genetics is when MS started to show itself. So when I got back to fasting, my MS slowed. And now, just a few short years later, I don't have any more symptoms. But getting back to Mattson, his research showed that it can take 2 to 4 weeks before the body becomes accustomed to OMAD. Feeling hungry and cranky, absolutely normal. I know I went through it, and I remember it really wasn't all that bad. Mattson says his research subjects who made it through the adjustment period tend to stick to the plan because they notice they feel better. And that was just his research subjects who didn't have MS. I found that OMAD fasting is super powerful to control MS. I imagine it's probably even more powerful than drugs. Because I've been on a DMT for some 17 years now. But it wasn't until I started OMAD fasting that I felt real change happen. And I can say with complete confidence, I don't merely survive MS. I thrive. When people hear that I only eat once a day, They think I'm crazy. But after the MS recovery I think I owe a lot of it to OMAD fasting. So that made up my mind. I will never change. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.